Hello there! Can you believe this place actually exists? I'm going to take you to some of the most unbelievable places on Earth that you won't find in any guidebook. So make sure to save this video for your next trip. We'll start off with a little bang. How does a frozen lake in Canada look like a painter's palette? The answer is perspective. This is what it looks like from above. But once you're down there, it's a whole different story. Next, can you guess how this mesmerizing blue hole was formed? In reality, it's not that deep. It's just a really shallow pool filled with blue water. It looks so deep because of the way the light reflects off the surface. If you thought that was impressive, wait till you see this waterfall in Australia that doesn't actually exist. It's a figment of my imagination, or should I say a very realistic Photoshop. It looks like a beautiful waterfall, but it's really just a rock formation that looks like a waterfall. Now let's head over to Cappadocia, Turkey, where you can find this incredible rock formation. It looks like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's actually just a bunch of rocks that have been eroded over time. What's really mind-blowing about this place is that there are secret rooms hidden behind these rocks. And if you look closely, you can see that they've been hiding them for hundreds of years. I'm going to show you a real hidden gem next. This is a place where you can find some of the clearest water on Earth. It's called the Blue Lake in New Zealand, and it gets its name from the blue-green algae that grows in the lake. This algae is what gives the water its incredible color and clarity. Now let's go to one of the most unbelievable places on Earth, a place where you can find giant holes that look like they've been carved into the earth by aliens. These holes are actually caused by a natural phenomenon called sinkholes. They occur when the ground collapses and creates a hole that's often filled with water. You've seen some amazing places so far, but this next one is truly breathtaking. It's called the Wave Rock in Australia, and it looks like a giant wave that's been frozen in time. In reality, it's just a rock formation that looks like a wave. But the wave is an optical illusion created by the way the light reflects off the surface of the rock. Last but not least, I'm going to take you to a place where you can find a river that flows upwards. It's called the Crooked River in Oregon, and it gets its name from the way it appears to flow upwards instead of downwards. This optical illusion is created by the angle of the river and the way the water reflects the sky. So there you have it, some of the most unbelievable places on Earth that you won't find in any guidebook. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more travel videos, and share with your friends.